In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Microsoft Outlook. A common task that can be a bit confusing if you've never done it before. Changing your time zone in Outlook is actually quite simple once you know where to look. Whether you've recently relocated or you're just setting up your calendar preferences, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a web browser, simply go to the main Outlook website. It's important to start there as this method is focused on the web version. Once you're on the site, look to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Click it to proceed. In the next step, you'll need to sign in with your registered email and password. This step is straightforward, just enter your credentials to gain access to your Outlook account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to complete that step as well to ensure your account is secure. Once you're logged in, you're ready to adjust your settings. In the top right corner of your Outlook interface, you'll notice a small icon resembling a gear. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear providing you with various options. You'll want to focus on the section labelled View All Outlook Settings. Click this option to dive deeper into the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, navigate to the calendar option. Click on it to open up the calendar settings. Once there, you need to scroll down the page slightly to find the time zone section. It might require a little scrolling, but it's typically not too far down. Once you've located the time zone section, you should see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and a list of available time zones will appear. Select your desired time zone from this list. Outlook provides a comprehensive list, so you should have no trouble finding the correct one for your location. After you've made your selection, the final step is crucial. Remember to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Click it to apply your new setting. Without hitting save, your changes will not be updated, so be sure this is done before closing out. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your time zone in Microsoft Outlook. This can be an essential adjustment to ensure that all your calendar events and emails reflect the correct local time. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below, and I'll be glad to help.